Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. So today I want to talk about and show you how to make puff pastry. Puff pastry is pretty complicated to make, but I'm going to show you something that you can do at home. I have 250 grams of cake flour and 250 grams of bread flour. You can use all-purpose for this recipe. Then I'm going to add about 12 grams of salt. I have 250 grams of water and 100 grams of butter. Melted, not hot. So I put all those ingredients together. The dough is coming together. Now I'm going to add 300 grams of frozen little pieces of butter. You don't want the butter to be mixed. You want everything, all the pieces of the butter to show exactly like that. Don't overmix the dough, just make a little square like that. And we're going to put that into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. We need that dough to relax now. So this puff pastry stays in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Little bit of flour, and then I'm going to start to give the turn. So you want to see all those pieces of butter fold this way and that way, and then you can do that. And let's give it another double turn. Put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to roll it the size of a half-size tray. Do some little holes. So this will bake for about, I will say, 30 to 45 minutes. Temperature of the oven about 350. Take another parchment paper on top, half-size tray, just like that. Put it in the oven, bake it like that. My puff pastry is almost ready, and I want to show you what I do to it before it's completely baked. So you see, it's almost baked, but I want to take a little bit of corn syrup and a little bit of water and brush it on top. So this is what you want to get, a very shiny puff pastry, and then it's very crispy with the sugar. I hope that helped.